To survive here, this mimic octopus has developed an unusual talent. With color-changing cells all over her body, she's a master of disguise. One moment imitating a flatfish, she can even impersonate a sea snake. But this veined octopus can't mimic her neighbors. Instead, she survives on her wits alone. A hungry flounder. It couldn't swallow her whole, but any one of those arms would make a bite-sized snack. And even the smallest injury can be life-threatening. She scans the sea floor for anything that might help. A coconut shell could do the trick. Her very own suit of armor. The problem is, it's only doing half the job. She needs protection on all sides. An empty scallop shell, if she can get to it in time. Now she has a shield and somewhere to hide. While the flounder is left, well, floundering.